Imagine if you could earn money from simply doing a mundane task such as opening an email. 20 years ago, this might seem like an outrageous fantasy, but I'm here to tell you today that this is very possible. Hi guys, this is Dark Money Secrets, and today I'm going to teach you how to make $15 per hour opening emails. Now, this may not seem like that much to you, but imagine how much you could earn in a day. If you like this video, drop your comments down below, hit like, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. The best part about this strategy is that you don't need any investments to get started. All you need is a smartphone or a laptop and a stable internet connection. It's amazing how far the world has gone. Who could imagine that you could earn money from the comfort of your own home, anytime, anywhere? Before we get started though, I want to make sure you have everything you need to succeed in this strategy. For instance, do you open your email? I'm talking Gmail, Yahoo, AOL, Hotmail, you get the point. If you do, then you're in luck because today I'm going to teach you a strategy that can have you earning around $1,000 to $2,000 by simply just opening and reading emails. And no, there are no difficult steps, no tricky software, no holes. It literally just involves you opening and reading an email. The more emails you read, the more money you'll earn. Are you ready? Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is to go to www.paidtoreademail.com. This is a website that allows people to earn money just by reading emails. Now, as you can see on their homepage, there are some of the website's features. First is that as a user, you will receive daily paid emails which will be sent straight to your mailbox. Another sweet feature is that they have quick payment processing within just 24 hours. The next cool feature is that they have a low $15 payout limit, which means you can cash out your earnings once it reaches $15. Basically, once you reach the minimum threshold of $15, joining is completely free. And if you activate your account, you'll receive a free $3 sign-up bonus. Want an additional way to earn cash? Well, you're in luck because taking daily paid surveys could also help you make some more cash. Now that you know the website and its cool features, it's time I teach you the next step. What I want you to do is to go back to the homepage and create an account. What we want to happen here is for you to create a free account and receive the $3 sign-up bonus. So just go on ahead and fill up all the necessary details like your gender, name, email, and password. Once you're done with this step, you'll be taken to the page which acknowledges your info and lets you know that your account has been activated. As you can see here, your paid to read email account has been activated and has been credited with the $3 sign-up bonus. If you scroll down the page, you'll be able to see the free ways to be rewarded for your online activities section. You can, for example, do cash surveys where you can earn 50 cents to $1 per survey. Now click on the Earn More with Your Opinions button and you'll be taken to another page. Here in cash surveys, each completed survey can reward you 35 cents to $1. There are three main categories under this. The first would be the surveys to which you have unlimited access. The second are opinion surveys which are also unlimited. Then the third one would be the dirtiest surveys, which have a maximum of 10 surveys. We won't focus too much on that on this video though because it's too simple. What happens next is that the website will deposit your money straight to your account once you're done with the surveys. Here is the juicy part. When you log into your account every day, make sure to complete all of the data surveys, which are limited to only 10 surveys. By doing this, you can earn around $5 easily. This will let you access an unlimited number of surveys, which pay you up to $5 per survey. Want to know the best part? You can literally complete surveys on the go. So whether you're chilling at home, at the beach, or out with your friends, all you have to do is whip out your phone, log into the site, and start answering away. You can earn up to $1 for each survey you finish. After this, you can move to the cash offers if you're done with all of the cash surveys. What you need to do is simply click the Earn More with Free Offers button and you should be taken to this page. Here you can earn around 50 cents for your surveys, 50 cents for opinion surveys, and 40 cents for data surveys under cash offers. This is an additional source of income that you can generate using this website. Now let's move to the final income stream, which I'm sure you'll find really interesting. The final step of earning additional income is, you guessed it, opening emails. What you have to do is very simple. Simply open the mail, read it, and click on the link or image. When you click on these, it'll take you to a random website. Now sometimes the emails will give you instructions on what to do on the site, but most of the time you don't even need to do anything. All you have to do is stay on the site for at least 30 seconds. Why? Well, staying on the site for 30 seconds verifies that you're a human and not a robot. All you have to do is literally scroll up and down the site for 30 seconds. You can do this on your phone or computer, anywhere, anytime. When the 30 seconds are up, you'll get paid and it'll be credited straight to your account. Who knew earning money could be this easy, right? I mean, you don't even have to care about the content of the email. All you have to do is click on the link, visit the site, and scroll up and down for 30 seconds, then get paid by doing so. You can even see your income pool on your dashboard under the Quick Stats area. The coolest part about this site is that they have a special referral program. When you select More and click on the Refer Friends button, you'll be taken to this page where you can earn cash by referring your friends. What's great is that you'll be credited 15% of your referral's earnings. All you need to do is simply share this website with your family, friends, and acquaintances. And you'll receive 15% of their total earnings, which is purely passive income in itself. And that's it. That's how you can earn $15 an hour by opening emails. Who knew that you can earn money by doing such a simple and mundane task? The great part about this strategy is how convenient it is, and how it only requires a smartphone and an internet connection. If you're one of those people who want to make extra cash, definitely look into trying this, as it can help you save more money and build a successful side hustle. As always, this channel is dedicated to bringing you fresh content to help you build the lifestyle you want through side hustles. Once again, this is Dark Money Secrets, and if you liked the video, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything.